Hello, good afternoon, folks. So today I'm going to cook something special for my mom. This is my mom. She's visiting me and my brother. It's not very common for her to come to town because she hates being on the bus. When she arrived 2 days ago, she got so sick from the bus. And today, because it's raining since last night, and yeah, it's quite cold, so I don't want to go out and get some food. So I'm going to cook whatever we have here, in the fridge. So the menu that I'm going to cook today is called lap. Lap is one of the delicacies in Laos. So it's very popular when it comes to Laos. You probably have tried it, or if you're coming to Laos, I recommend you to try it. It can be pork, chicken, beef, fish, and some other meat. So it's like a minced meat with all the herbs and ingredients. Most people would use beef, and some people eat it raw, but I don't like that raw meat. So in today we're gonna cook using pork. So it's like almost half a kilo of minced pork. I got it from supermarket, and here are the ingredients. So we got coriander, cilantro, green onion. We got roasted rice powder. We got garlic. We got chili powder that my mom brought all the way from her home. And this is the shallot and galanga and mint, of course. And this is extra, very spicy chili for me to have it with later. So first, we're going to turn this on. And then we're going to add our pork. And just keep cooking it until it's well cooked. And then we're going to add all the ingredients. There are many different ways to prepare this kind of menu. This is the easiest way to do it, in my opinion. I think one thing that I forgot is coffee lime leaves. It's okay. I mean, if you don't have galanga, you can use ginger. And also, if you don't have the green onion, you can just use garlic or shallot. I mean, the reason that I put it all is because it's so easy to find here in Laos and it's so cheap as well. So with the chicken and pork, like I said, we better cook it properly. But with beef, some people make it like they eat it raw or medium rare. And the reason that we add the roasted rice powder is because of the flavor, like smoky flavor. It tastes better. If you don't have it, don't bother. So yeah, just like this, just keep cooking until it's well cooked, and then we can add all the ingredients in. Start with chili powder, garlic, galanga, rice powder, a bit of MSG, and then salt, and pepper. I use Thai black pepper. You can use black pepper. Just normal black pepper is fine. And then I'm gonna turn up the stove, and then we can just keep mixing it. Well, I hope it won't be too spicy for my mom because she doesn't eat spicy food. Looks like I added too much chili powder. I don't know. Let's see. Hopefully not. Well, a lot of people would add like fermented fish. I don't like that. I will just add a bit of fish sauce, I think. Now let's add shallot and all this herb, green onion, cilantro, and coriander. So make sure you turn up the stove before you add all these ingredients. You know, you don't want to cook it, especially the salad, because it tastes better and smells better if it's not overcooked. Now we're gonna add the mint. Now let's taste it. Needs a bit more salt, but I'm gonna add the fish sauce instead. Now let's add some lime. All right, let me taste it again. It's pretty good.